You can see his beak. It's a flicker. He's been coming for 5 years at this time of year, and he sets up in this metal chimney on the house and hammers away. Of course, he who has the loudest voice attracts the most females. You can just see there, you can hear it. He's been in there since 7 a.m. this morning. And he also sings, and of course it comes through, down through into the house, and it's quite beautiful. I love them. They're actually a very gorgeous, gorgeous woodpecker. Amazing. Property's just alive with birds this morning. Been out to feed them all, and the red-winged blackbirds, of course, are here in mass, and they light up the entire property.
I love the sounds of the night. Sounds of evening. Crickets, whatever that is chirping. So that was the sound of another creature, another evening creature. It just rose from the slumber. Yeah, I know it's not Christmas anymore, but still got the Christmas lights out. Because I just like them. Christmas lights. Yeah. So anyway, yeah, that's the sound of. That's the sound of. The sound of evening. That is the sound of evening. Tiggy. Tiggy.